Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Medical Hub. Before starting my video, if you like my video then please subscribe my channel and watch more videos. So now let's start. Today I am going to share this video about growth and development of pediatric. In this video there are stage of growth and development and some key points of growth and development of pediatrics. So now let's see. First is there are a stage of growth and development in pediatrics. So now let's start. First one is ovum. It's a 0 to 14 days. Ovum is 0 to 14 days. Then embryo lifetime is 14 days to 8 weeks. Fetus 9 weeks to birth. Then neonates first 4 weeks of life, that means 28 days. Infant up to 1 year. Toddler 1 to 3 years. Preschool age children 3 to 6 years. School age children 6 to 12 years. And early adolescence 11 to 14 years. Middle adolescence is 15 to 17 years. And late adolescence is 18 to 21 years. So these are the stage of growth and development. Once again, ovum 0 to 14 days, embryo 14 days to 8 weeks, fetus 9 weeks to birth, neonates first 4 weeks of life, that means 28 days, infant up to 1 year, toddler 1 to 3 years, preschool age is 3 to 6 years, school age is 6 to 12 years, early adolescence is 11 to 14 years, middle adolescence is 15 to 17 years, late adolescence is 18 to 21 years. These are the stage of growth and development. Next one is the key points of growth and development. There are some key points of growth and development. So now let's see. Growth means to increase in size of body tissue. And development means maturation of body functions. Growth means to increase in size of body tissue and development means maturation of body functions. Next one is the after birth, newborn lost its birth weight 10% weight because of adjustment and adaptation of new world. Next one is weight of the full term neonate at birth is approximately 2.5 to 3.5 kg. It's an Indian neonate's birth weight. This is 2.5 to 3 kg normal birth weight of a baby. Next one is weight gain is about 25 to 30 gram per day for first 3 months, then 400 gram per month till 1 year. Weight gain is about 25 to 35 gram per day for first 3 months and then 400 gram per month till 1 year. Next one is the infants double their birth weight by 5th month of age. So the birth weight is 2.5 kg in the starting time and then it will be doubled by 5th month of age. So infant their birth weight by 5th month is doubled. Next one is the infant tripled by 1 year and the infant birth weight is tripled by 1 year and 4 times by 2 years, 5 times by 3 years, 6 times by 5 years. Next one is the newborn length. Normal newborn length is 50 centimeter and it will be doubled at 4th year. Newborn length is 15 centimeter and it will be doubled at 4th year. Next one is the head circumference at birth. Head circumference at birth is 33 to 35 centimeter. Chest circumference at birth is 30 to 33 centimeter. Head circumference and chest circumference is equal in 1 year of age. Head circumference and chest circumference is equal in 1 year of age. Next one is the mid upper arm circumference MUAC at birth is 11 to 12 centimeter. Mid upper arm circumference at birth is 11 to 12 centimeter. Next one is the low birth weight baby, birth weight of less than 2500 gram or 2.5 kg. Low birth weight baby is birth weight of less than 2500 gram. Next is very low birth weight BLBW babies, birth weight of less than 1500 gram or 1.5 kg. Extremely low birth weight babies, birth weight of less than 1000 gram or 1 kg. Small for date babies, babies with a birth weight of less than 10th percentile for gestational age. Umbilical cord fall 7th day after birth. Next one is the pathological jaundice appears within 24 hours of birth. Pulse rate of newborn is about 120 to 140 beat per minute. Next one is the in newborn total urine output on the first day is about 200 ml. First stool of an infant is termed as meconium and it is black in color. Next one is the stomach capacity of a newborn is about 90 ml. So the stomach capacity of a newborn is about 90 ml. Next one is the blood volume of the neonate is about 90 ml per kg of the body weight. The blood volume of the neonate is about 90 ml per kg of the body weight. Next one is the hemoglobin on neonate is about 11 to 20 gram per 100 ml of blood. The hemoglobin on neonate is about 18 to 20 gram per 100 ml of blood. Next is the in a newborn systolic blood pressure is about 70 mm of Hg. In a newborn systolic blood pressure is about 70 mm of Hg. Next one is the at birth the midpoint of a newborn is 1.8 cm above the umbilicus. Next is in a newborn activity of the enzyme glucocoronyl transferase is reduced which may lead to physiological jaundice. Next is the anterior fontanelle of a newborn is of diamond shape. Anterior fontanelle shape is diamond in shape. And posterior fontanelle of a newborn is of triangular shape. Next is the in a child anterior fontanelle normally closes by 18 months of age. Next is the in term babies physiological jaundice disappears by 7th to 10th day of birth. Next is the hypothermia is considered as silent killer in neonates. Hypothermia is considered as silent killer in neonates. Next one is the child primary canine teeth erupted between 18 to 21 month of age. In a child, primary canine teeth erupted between 18 to 21 month of age. Next one is the by age of 9 to 10 month baby is able to creep on hands and knees. Next is the by 2 years of age a child can control bladder and bowel at daytime. Next is the in a preterm baby sutures are widely separated and fontanelle are large. In a preterm baby sutures are widely separated and fontanelle are large. Next one is wisdom teeth appear between age of 17 to 21 years. Next is in a child total number of primary teeth are 20. So these are the key points of growth and development in pediatrics. These points and stages of development is very important in exams of nursing or medical exams. So please watch it carefully. Thank you for watching this.